Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this month's Boxycharm. This is the February Boxycharm, and I'm going to show you guys what I got in my box this month and also how I use the products to create this look. So if you want to see what I got in my Boxycharm this month and how I use these products to create this look right here, then please keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I got in my Boxycharm is this primer. This is the Touch and Soul Smooth and Pore Covering Top Secret for Perfect Makeup. No pore blem, no pore blem primer. That was a lot. This retails for $18. So I've never tried this before, but I've heard good things, so let's give it a go. Okay, it's kind of thick. She's thick. I don't know why, but I was kind of expecting it to be like more liquidy, but it's kind of like the consistency of like a lotion. Oh, it feels nice. It's so weird because it kind of feels like a lotion, but it also has that like silicone-y, like kind of like Benefit Professional primer feel. It's like a mixture. You know what? It's kind of like in between like Too Faced Hangover Primer and Benefit's Professional, which I love because I actually use both of those primers at the same time. So I actually like the way this one feels a lot, and it feels good on my skin. The smell, I'm not too crazy about the smell, but that's okay. It definitely makes my skin feel super smooth. I think maybe I put a little bit too much on, but that's okay. We'll see how this sits under my foundation. Okay, so in my Boxycharm tutorials, I only like to show myself using the products that are actually in the Boxycharm. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do my face makeup now that I've got that primer on, and I will be right back to show you guys the next product in my box and how I use it. Okay, so I went ahead, I did my foundation, my contour, my eyebrows, and my lips. And I must say that my foundation application was super smooth over that primer. So far, so good. I like this primer, but I guess I'll have to see how it wears throughout the day. But I will definitely be trying it again because I like how smooth, I mean, look at my skin. It just looks super smooth. So, yeah, I've tried primers that I don't like before, and usually I can tell right off the bat if I like it or not, like depending on how my foundation applies over it. So thumbs up, I like this one. And the next thing that I got in my Boxycharm is this highlighter from Pretty Vulgar. This is in the shade Sparkling Sass. This is a Shimmering Swan highlighter, and this retails for $32. So right there, your box is worth it just with this, because the box is $21, this is $32, you know. So those two things alone, like, just Boxycharm is always worth it in my opinion. So, but I can't open it. Why is it so hard to open? Oh my god. Okay, so this is what the highlighter looks like. Super pretty. It's just like a gold toned highlighter, which I like. I don't really like white, you know, like frosty white colors because I feel like they're too light for me. So I like the coppery, goldy, like rose gold ones. And I'm just going to apply this with my Anastasia A23 brush. Ooh, look at that. Super pretty. And it's going on super shimmery. I don't really like chunky type glitter highlighters. I like the shimmery ones like this. So this is a yes in my book. I've tried other products from Pretty Vulgar and I really like them a lot. I tried their eyeshadow palette, and I've also tried their liquid or like gel eyeliner, which I also liked a lot. So I'm not surprised that I also like this one. So I'm just going to highlight the highest points of my face, like my forehead, my cheekbones, and my chin. I'll also highlight my Cupid's bow area. And then I like to take a little bit of the highlighter on my finger and just bring it down the bridge of my nose. That's kind of a lot. And then the very tip of my nose too. Just to kind of fake like a perky little skinny nose, you know? I'm going to buff it out a little bit with this brush because it went on pretty heavy, which is good. It's very pigmented. Super pretty, gorgeous. Love a good highlighter. So I also got this cute little, what is it? It's like an eyeshadow stick. It's the Magnetic Luminous Eye Color from Nude Sticks, and this is what it looks like. It's just like an eye crayon type thing, and this is in the shade Copper Foil. This retails for 24 bucks, so also worth it. And let's see, we're just gonna put this on. I'm just gonna put this directly onto my eyelid. I love the color of this because it's a color that I would normally go for. I love those neutral earthy tones. Personally, those are like my favorite. And I'm just gonna color this on all over my eyelid. It's going on really smoothly and it just looks really nice. So I'm just putting this all over my eyelid, and then I'm gonna take my finger and kind of just blend it out with my finger. It does feel pretty creamy, kind of like a cream shadow. So hopefully it doesn't crease, because sometimes cream shadows tend to crease, especially on me because I have like hooded eyelids. But we'll see how it wears throughout the day. It is looking really nice though. Sometimes these dry down and they don't crease though, so we'll see how it dries down. But I'm blending it out and it's blending out nicely. It's not like getting patchy or anything. Sometimes, in my opinion, cream shadows tend to get a little patchy, or like if you touch them with your finger, it kind of like removes it. But this one actually blended out really nicely just with using my finger. So I like that, and it looks really pretty. I'm just reapplying a little bit more now that I have it blended. Just getting it a little bit more concentrated on the lid. It looks really pretty. Look at that. Super pretty color too. This is copper. Okay, moving on. I got this mascara in my box this month. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and if you know, you know. I own this already, so I know it's going to be good. This is one of my favorite mascaras. It might actually be Better Than Sex. It's truly a great mascara, and this retails for 24 bucks. So before I apply my mascara, I am going to curl my lashes. I always curl my lashes before applying mascara because I am not blessed with very great lashes. No offense, lashes, but my lashes are very just straight. They just stick straight out and they're not very curly. So we need a little help. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I'm so happy to have a brand new mascara. Okay, and then I'm just gonna apply this mascara. I just love everything about this mascara. I love the wand. I love the formula. My lashes just always look so good after I apply this mascara. I wish I had thicker lashes though, honestly. I think just like years of false lashes kind of upset my natural lashes. And I wear false lashes so much that I just feel like my natural ones never have time to like recover, you know? Okay, so I do like to apply 2 coats of this. After the first coat dries, then I like to go back in and do a second coat. And I kind of drag the wand like back and forth. Maybe even a 3rd coat, you know? I just love super thick lashes. We like them thick. Bam! Gorgeous. Love it. I don't think I'm going to apply any mascara on my lower lash line, should I? Maybe just a little bit. Okay, yeah, just a little bit. Yes! Thick lashes! Love it! Oh my god, I love this mascara so much. Okay, we're good. I'm not going to wear any false lashes today, just mascara. Okay, and last but not least, I also got this lotion or body cream in my Boxycharm this month. This is from Sol de Janeiro. Oh my god. Okay, so they also have another one that I think has a yellow bottom, which I've tried that one before, which is amazing and it smells good. But this one smells even freaking better. Oh my god. I can already smell it. Oh my god, it smells like frosting or something. It just smells so good. I wish you guys can smell it. If you ever get the chance to smell this, please smell it. Try it, use it, buy it. It's so amazing. I'm going to use it on my hands right now because I always need lotion on my hands. I'm a freak about lotion too. I'm so picky about lotion and the like consistency, the texture, how it makes my skin feel, and I give this one a 10. 2 thumbs up. It's just so good. So good. It smells amazing too, and it just leaves my skin feeling moisturized and hydrated. It's not too greasy, but it also doesn't like dry up really quick. You know those lotions that like dry up as soon as you apply them, and then it's like you're not even hydrated, you know? This one just, you feel hydrated all day. It's so, so good. And it retails for 20 bucks. I think they have bigger sizes too, but like for me this is perfect, especially like to keep in my purse with me, because I like to reapply lotion, especially to my hands, all day, you know? Like if I wash my hands, I need lotion right after. I just like my hands to be continuously hydrated. I want them to look good, and I want my nails to look good, you know? So this is my hands. They never look dry. They always look hydrated and plump and youthful. So yes, highly recommend this. This is like one of my favorite things out of my Boxycharm this month, I think. This and the mascara. So yes. So anyways, this is my finished look using products from my Boxycharm. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you haven't tried Boxycharm, I totally recommend it. It's my favorite makeup subscription. I talk all my friends into getting it, and they're all like, thank you, I'm so glad. Actually, one of my friends was like, I'm so glad you told me to get Boxycharm. I already upgraded to Boxy Luxe, which is like a bigger Boxycharm, which actually I don't get and I've never gotten it, but they actually send you even more in the Boxy Luxe. So definitely check out Boxycharm. If you're interested, you can click the link in my description, and that'll take you to their site, and you can get your own Boxycharm subscription. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, or just come say what's up. I love to talk to you guys. I try and respond to all my comments. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!